Yep. All right, Rosie, you can paint it.
Ooh. Put the gloss on?
Yeah.
This one?
Is that gloss?
No.
Well, then no.
This is the stain.
What the fuck? Okay, put that in the video. Adds to the Christmas list Rosie welding tips. He's gonna be like, what kind? And I'm gonna be like, I don't fucking know.
You're.
You know, it's not pretty, Rosie, but it's sturdy.
It's all that matters.
Yep. How the fuck did I hear it up? Oh no.
Did you weld right through it? Nice.
It's okay. It's the thing about welding, you're adding metal. So you can just add more. You're gonna have to grind this to make it straight.
Okay.
That's gonna be your job.
Oh.
I'm gonna call that good. Yeah, that one wasn't bad. That'll work. Oh man, that's disgusting.
Yeah, get him a nice view of your butt. They'll like that.
Oh, my eyes don't hurt tonight. You're up, coach. The top, something like that.
Yeah.
Do you want to switch brushes?
Yes.
Use the other saw. We're already here. Even. Yeah, well. That's pretty close. Motherfucker. What's that? Measure once, cut 3 times? Measure twice, cut once. Nope.
Not with Colin. You're gonna hammer it in?
Yeah. Where'd your bag go for your sawdust?
Fucking rats
Rats
got
ate it. Yeah, that's what fucking happened to mine too up there, bastards.
Oh, I need two.
You're gonna have to rip one.
I think I'm just gonna round it off on the edge and call it a day.
Well, at least your metal cart's square. So that guy welded all that shit.
I guess the welds are shitty. Now there's just more shitty welds.
You need to grind them down a little bit.
That's Rose's job.
What do they call it in World War II? Rosie the Riveter?
Yep.
That's funny.
I would get called that at school all the time.
That'll work.
Man, you're giving this camera a lot of free butt shots. Take a drink every time you see Colin's butt. Why are you doing both sides?
What?
Why are you doing both sides?
I don't know.
Okay. You just like doing it, don't you?
It gives us options.
He just likes playing with the torch.
Yeah, that's what I think too.
Gives us options. It is kind of a fun tool.
That was cool. I think that was freaking cool.
A couple spots on it. That's alright. Well, it's only freaking not even 6 o'clock.
It's not 6 o'clock yet?
Just now, 6:04.
I thought it was like 8 o'clock.
No, 6:04. That's what I said. It does feel like 8 o'clock.
Yeah, you ordered today.
Come here, Bud Light. Where's your buddy?
All right. Progress for the day. We got our handles on our weird rustic looking top. We got this all painted. We got these all glossy, I think. I think Rosie's sandbagging me over here. That's good enough. Next time we'll put the got these little skateboard wheels so we can roll around, and we'll be great. Who's that? Who's that coming in from outside? I wonder how good this thing's zoom is. It's the abominable Mexican.